The inspiration was definitely the brand, the Buick brand. For me, it represents exuberant, romantic design. It's got a wonderful design heritage. You only have to look as far as the Wide-Drive, which was the industry's first concept vehicle, and everything that's come since to get inspired to work on Buicks. And they're fun to work with. You get to get very expressive with both line and form. I guess the first wow moment for me was getting square onto the vehicle and seeing it in profile with the rising sun reflected in the body side, and seeing that wonderful rear-wheel drive proportion that we all love working on, and it's a great place to start. Well, getting to see something that you drew on a piece of paper a while ago come to life as a moving vehicle, and see it in natural light with dynamic reflections as it moves is a powerful thing. For me, the most Buick aspect of the Avenir is the boat tail. This is something that really defined the third generation Riviera, and it's used in a similar but more subtle way on the Avenir. And what it does is connect the upper to the deck lid and create that coupe-like profile in a sedan format. I'm immensely proud of what our team has achieved with the Avenir concept, and to be given the opportunity to present a show car at Detroit, the biggest stage in the automotive design world, is the ultimate compliment. What we've created is the Avenir concept, a full-size four-door coupe that represents Buick's own brand of style and measured luxury. It forecasts the future design direction for the brand. Proportionally, the Avenir is classic rear-wheel drive, long dash-to-axle, wheels set wide in the corners, but its cabin is integrated into a boat-tail deck lid. So its profile is a little more streamliner than typical sedan. The theming followed a design principle Mike Simcoe communicated early in the project of having the appearance of a clean fuselage form with applied wing fenders. The feature lines on the surface are dynamic and arc about the vehicle. They form the Buick sweep spear on the body side, and they connect that upper to the boat tail by tracing a continuous line from the A-pillar back to the deck lid patch. This heritage of style and innovation is not lost on a designer when working on a Buick car, so it's tremendously exciting and a little bit intimidating when you're handed a brief titled Buick Flagship. GMA Design is very familiar with rear-wheel drive architectures, and the type of form language that Buick uses is one that we're familiar with. As we're a global design organisation, collaboration with the designers and studios around the world is very important. A creative designer's role is one of collaboration, whether it's with studio engineers when you're packaging the vehicle, with clay sculptors surfacing and visualising that form, and then the alias designers who are doing the design detail and outputting math data so it can be milled. And then finally it's with fabricators, and that's where the design comes to life, becomes a real car that can turn the key and goes from being this abstract design to a breathing, living creation. The Avenir concept represents a global design collaboration. There's been a lot of input from designers in North America, whether it be the lighting design with the signature wing elements in the DRL, or the updated grille design with those wing elements as well. We have a brand strategy for Buick going forward, and it's important to work with everybody involved to deliver an outcome that's on message for Buick.